Today I'm making an old classic Waldorf salad, and we're going to begin by toasting about a cup of walnuts or pecans on top of the stove for about a minute. Make sure you watch these carefully or they will burn. Don't ask me how I know this. So after they've toasted, put them in a dish and set aside or even in the refrigerator to cool completely. And then you're going to want to dice up about a cup of celery. I dice mine pretty finely because that's the way I like it, but if you like bigger pieces, that's fine. And you'll need 2 apples. I'm using Pink Lady. Dice those, and then you'll need about a cup of grapes. I'm using red grapes, and you'll want to half those. I think I had a little more than a cup. In a separate bowl, mix together 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 3 tablespoons of mayo, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and put that in the refrigerator. So in a big bowl, put all of the ingredients in it except for the dressing and the walnuts right now. Just put everything else in the bowl and add a teaspoon of salt. Mix that together. And then go ahead and put your dressing mix. Mix again and add your walnuts and mix, mix, mix. So after you've got that all thoroughly mixed, just put that in a serving dish. I put mine on top of a bed of lettuce. You don't have to do that. I just thought it looked pretty. I did put half of this salad aside in a separate dish because I wanted to add some chicken to it. So I did fry 1 chicken breast that I sliced and added 1/2 teaspoon each of pepper, salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. And then when that was done, I cooled that completely in the refrigerator before I put it on top of the salad, because any heat on this salad will make the dressing melt and become watery, and you don't want that. So here's the recipe, and I hope you enjoy.